Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I am all ready and dressed to go outside. I am wearing the lightest top that I have, the most breathable and comfortable shorts that I could find in my closet, and we are going and building something outdoors, something very pretty, something very big. You guys, it is extremely hot outside right now, so wish me luck. We're gonna be testing our balloons to the fullest, and I'll be testing myself to the fullest as well. So all the balloons that I will be using today, I got from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. You can go and check them out. You guys, they have a huge selection of balloons, party supplies, they have it all. You can use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid if you're a new customer and only for your first purchase. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I decided I want to use in today's video. So as you can see, I am using a whole bunch of Qualitix balloons in white color, and then I have Metallics balloons in pearl white. These are 11-inch, and then I have a variety of sizes from Qualitix: 5, 11, 16, and 36. Anything else I will be using on top of these balloons, I'll let you know throughout the video. I am all ready and set up to inflate all of my balloons. I will be inflating a lot of balloons, so I am using my electric balloon pump. It will save me so much time. So here's what I'm doing. I'm taking 2 balloons and blowing them at the same time into different sizes. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounded shape, and then tie them together into a knot, into a pair like this. Keep on pairing, keep on inflating. I will be mixing sizes up. I will be mixing my pearl balloons with just regular white balloons. Just inflate a whole bunch of balloons in different sizes. One more thing, you guys, here's what I like to do with my 16-inch balloons and how I like to give them more rounder shape, because sometimes pressing against the floor is not enough for 16-inch balloons. So while inflating my balloon, I like to press my balloon down, so that way air stretches your balloon sideways instead of like going up and giving you that pear shape kind of a look. So here's how. A lot rounder, and then at the end I am still pressing my balloon against the floor, and it's a lot rounder. Blowing my balloons at least for now. If anything else, I can blow more balloons if I need more, but for now let's cluster our balloons. So what I'm doing is I am taking 2 different sizes pair of balloons and intertwine them together. I am taking 3rd pair of balloons and intertwining that pair with existing cluster that I just made into a cluster like this. Once in a while I might take another pair and add into this cluster to create something like this. See? Keep on pairing, keep on clustering, make lots of pretty clusters. Construct my balloon garland. I'm not constructing the full garland. I am starting and taking everything outside. I am using 260s balloons to construct my garland. I am out of 260s clear balloons, so I'm using whatever I have, and I absolutely don't like to use colorful anything to construct balloon garlands, because I'm afraid that they're gonna show after I am done constructing the whole thing. Anyways, I am tying a few 260s balloons together to create a rope like this. Do not tie a lot of 260s at once, because they can tangle while you will be building your balloon garland. So I have 4 260s right here. So I'm taking my first cluster of balloons, tying my 260s to my first pair, and I want to use a very, very gentle hand in today's construction. I don't want to pack my balloon garland, but keep it very flowy and very fluffy, if you will. So I'm taking my second cluster, putting it right where I think I wanted this cluster to be, applying a little bit of pressure, you guys, just enough for the balloons to you know, stick together and not move anywhere. So I'm taking my 260s and wrapping my 260s around my balloons all over, around newly placed balloons, older placed balloons, not applying a lot of pressure. Finding my third cluster, let's take a very big one. I think it's good right here. Taking my 260s and wrapping my 260s around this newly placed cluster, not applying too much pressure, but enough so that my balloons will be secured from every side. That's basically all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. Just place your clusters, wrap it around, play around, and you'll end up having one beautiful creation. So let's pack everything up, you guys. I am using this huge wide bag that used for Christmas tree storage. And I love these bags because they're huge and they can fit a lot of balloons. I bought this bag on Amazon and I will link it in the description under the video. Here is where I am planning to construct my whole thing. So going from here and kind of inside under the roof and create something very pretty. I won't be stopping and explaining what I'm doing. I'll just do a voiceover later on. Wish me luck. Let's go. I started by tying my pre-made balloon garland to the post of my pergola. You can use 260s. I believe 260s are better to tie to smooth surfaces because 260s won't slide up and down and they will stay in place. I work myself all the way up and to the side of my pergola, stopping once in a while and tying my balloon garland to my pergola with 260s to keep everything in place. At first I wanted to create really good base and then fill in spaces, so all you see is me creating a good base. As soon as I had a good base, I started filling in spaces on my balloon garland. We're kind of taking a break, sort of. Water balloons. Him against all of those guys over here. Ready, set, go! I used 260s balloons to fill in spaces on my balloon garland. I wish I had my rubber bands, but I was out. I love to use 260s and rubber bands to fill in spaces on my balloon garland. They give my garland a more fluffy and relaxed look. At the very bottom of my balloon garland, I used a few glue dots just to speed this process up because I was losing all the daylight and I needed to finish fast. What I have for you guys today. I am loving the whole thing. I love how full and fluffy this looks. I didn't count how many balloons I used. I was just sitting and blowing balloons left and right. I stopped when I thought I would have enough balloons. I know for sure that I used two 36-inch balloons and 2 bags of 11-inch pearl balloons. That's all I know. I constructed this whole thing with fishing line, 260s balloons, and some glue dots. I literally used like 5 glue dots to finish this
section over here because I was losing all the daylight and I needed to finish really fast. So I used some glue dots. I don't see a point in using pearl balloons outdoors because this is a pearl balloon and this is, where is it? This is normal balloon. So basically I don't see a difference. You can see a little bit of like this pearly sheen, but that's all. Use pearl balloons indoors. They will be stunning. They will be stunning in your garlands, but outdoors just use regular standard colors because all of the balloons will oxidize outdoors. It doesn't matter what kind of balloon you use, they will oxidize except bubble balloons. As you probably saw me test those out a few weeks ago and they held up amazing outdoors. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share some pictures at the end of this video. You guys, quick update. This is the next day and look at this garland. It looks very, very good. It's very hot today. Again, it's 91 degrees. I can see deflation of few balloons, but I don't see a lot of popped balloons. I only see a popped balloon over here. Other than that, you guys, it looks very, very good. So use good quality balloons for outdoor balloon garlands if you want your garland to last for a long time.
Well, this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!